a celebration of our liberation. It is a celebration of who we are now because of Ramadan. Let us remember the same Allah of Ramadan that blessed us with the ability to increase in our mindfulness, worship, and clarity is the same.
Alhamdulillah, we were more frequent in the masjids. We were more frequent in our ibadah, our dhikr, our qiyam. So now that we've kind of trained ourselves to have a little bit more of that mindfulness, the taqwa that Allah mentions in the Quran.
أشهد أن محمدا